Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Kashmir Food Fusion. Click on the subscribe button here to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon button to remain updated. Today we are going to make chicken Seekh kebab for you. These succulent kebabs are made from tender meat. The ingredients like masalas, spices and seasonings, and they are put on a skewer and grilled. Ingredients used here are 3 tablespoons of ginger powder, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of chicken masala powder, then salt according to your taste. I've also used freshly chopped coriander leaves, then 2 green chilies chopped, then 2 tomatoes chopped, 4 chopped onions, and 1 kg boneless chicken. Now first of all, in a food processor, add the chicken, boneless chicken, and add all of the ingredients that I showed you. So you can see that I'm adding all of the ingredients into this food processor, and we will make a fine paste of these ingredients. So after adding all of the ingredients into the food processor, I will mix it, and you can mix it in a mixer grinder and make a fine paste out of them. So after making a fine paste out of them, I am adding 2 whole eggs into it as well. Adding the eggs will keep the mixture together and make sure that the kebabs don't fall down. So I'm adding whole eggs into them. So with your clean hands, mix this mixture nicely and make sure that the egg is mixed well. Now place this mixture on a platter and flatten it, and then we will grill it. So on an outside barbecue grill, I placed some charcoal and heated it. So when the charcoal is hot, I've taken a round ball of this mixture and placed it on a skewer, then flattened this mixture equally on each side of the skewer and creating a uniformly flattened shape around it, and I'm grilling it on the barbecue grill. So when the chicken kebabs are grilled, you can fry them. You can eat them grilled as well, but they taste better when they are fried. So now you can see that I'm frying them in a pan, and you can serve it hot and eat it like this as well. Thank you for watching this video.